So I don't normally wear makeup, but I'm a fan of Shane and Jeffree, mostly Shane. But here is the palette. I'm gonna do an unboxing and some swatches. Okay. So, okay, I can't open things. This is gonna be a process. Okay. And here's the packaging with, I guess, custom tape with his logo, actually, which is kind of cool. Let's see if it'll open. With Shane and Jeffree's tissue paper with his pig and his triangle and Jeffree's star, obviously. Okay, oh, there's even more tissue paper. Okay, so I guess here is a little card and everything. That's the receipt. Yes, I think that's the receipt. In total, this cost $52 with shipping, so $67.06. And here is a picture showcasing the palette in all of its glory, and a photo card of Jeffree and Shane with their little emblem at the bottom to show it's a collaboration. And you can see there's a TV at the top too with conspiracy. Okay. And he's holding a pig. Iconic. Here is the palette. Feels mushy because it has a lot of I can feel like bubble wrap and stuff. It has its own sticker. I'm scared to tear it. Oh, well, can't go back now. Okay. Here's the conspiracy palette. Wow. It's kind of heavy. And here's it even has a little star at the top to show it's also a Jeffree product. I didn't know. I didn't see that in the video. Okay. So here we're gonna take it out. It has all of the like official labeling and stuff. 12 months. So, and it's cruelty free. Stan is sister. Oh wait, no, wrong channel. Okay. And here it has its little latches, like a box. Wow. Okay. Here are all the colors. I'm surprised it doesn't have a little plastic thing over it, but that's okay. It's got some matte and shimmers and glitters and metallics. And it has a mirror over here. So, without further ado, don't mind my scrunchie. So, okay, I guess we'll just go across the rope. So, oh, I'm so excited. Okay, but I'm also ruining the palette. This is so sad. Okay. So, the first thing we have is Ranch with the iconic, oh, that looks like Jeffree. Okay, this is a Jeffree star imprint. So let's go take, oh, I already touched it by accident. Okay, take a swatch of this. It is, oh my, that is creamy. Wow, I barely even touched it. That stuff is creamy. That's good. Okay, so this is Ranch, which is a pretty white with some shimmer in it. I don't know the difference between metallic and shimmer. Okay, so next we can do My Pills, which has the Shane Dawson imprint, which is also very, very creamy. I think all of his products have a really good formula. Oh, let's try again. There you go. and that is My Pills, which is a pretty light pink color, but it's matte. Well, not but, you know, it's still pretty. Next we have Tanacon, which is a good nude shade for simple looks. Something not too out there. Oh, you can see I destroyed it. That's so sad. Okay. Here's Tanacon. Okay. And now we have Diet Root Beer. Oh, yeah, that has the Diet Root Beer icon, and this one has a teardrop like coming out of an eye, but here's Diet Root Beer. Wow, all of the shades are incredibly creamy, like, and just buttery and smooth, which is really good. Okay, so now we can do Just a Theory. Wait, I just saw that there is this. Wow, this part is always so satisfying. Okay, so now you can like truly see the mirror. Okay, now we can do Just a Theory. Yet again, it's incredibly clean. I can't stress how like good the formula is. Wow, and that's very pigmented. Like all of them are really. And that's Just a Theory, just like he says in all his conspiracy videos. And now we can do Spiraling. And I heard like spiraling in the video was added very recently, like at the end of the product, because it was a combination of like a bunch of the shades. And they are spiraling, a really pretty black shimmery shade. Okay, and then here's Conspiracy. You can't really see the imprint, but it's also just again like a Shane Dawson imprint, at least from my angle you can't see it. Okay, and that's Conspiracy, just a really pretty green shade, like a mint almost. That. There's some fallout. Okay, and then we can do Pigment. Oh, I keep hitting outside of the tin. That's okay. So here's that. A really pretty pink color. It's more hot pink though it is than on my skin. Like on my skin is more hot pink, that's what I meant. Okay. So next we have Food Videos, which is a very vibrant yellow. It's very pigmented. Then let's go and take this right here. Ooh, here, let's try and grab a bit more. There you go, a bit more pigment. You can see the kind of excess fallout, but that's okay. Okay, and then after that, we've got Trisha, which, I mean, pigment was really hot pink on my arm, so I don't know how Trisha's gonna go. But it like actually really reminds me of Trisha. Dang, okay. So it's a very hot pink glitter color. Wow, no, that's vibrant. So you can see it glitter in the light. And now we have Cheese Dust, since he couldn't use Cheeto Dust. It has a dead pig on it. That's the print. Okay. Here's Cheese Dust, which is a very peachy orange shade. Then after that, we've got Flaming Hot, like Flaming Hot Cheetos. Okay. So this is a vibrant red shade. Wow. And it's a matte red. Okay, so since I kind of ran out of space on this side, it goes, well, okay, you can still kind of see it, but this hurts. Okay, I'm gonna do it on this side. So the first one on the last row is What's the Tea, which is a very pretty light turquoise shade. Honestly, one of my favorite colors. Okay, it's a matte turquoise shade. Okay, and now after that, We've got Diet Cola, which is a shimmery silver, okay, metallic. Wow, very vibrant and pigmented. Oh, looked better on my finger, but it's still really, really good. Okay, so after that, then we've got Not a Fact, Just a Theory. Well, it's like, it kind of became darker when I touched it. Wow, no, that's pigmented. That's a really good shade, but it might not come off my arm when I wash this off later. Okay, and then we've got Sleep Paralysis, which almost reminds me of like Static. Okay, so it's a shimmery gray color, darker than Diet Cola. And you can almost see like a touch of purple in there. So after Sleep Paralysis, we have Illuminati, which is a shimmery dark green with the Illuminati symbol on it. It's a very like forest green almost. Oh, kind of came off like blackish. Okay, wow, that's some fallout. And so there's that shade. Okay, and then the last one is My Rides Here with a steering wheel, because he couldn't use Uber for legal reasons. Very pigmented black. I hope this comes off. I'm gonna need my hand later. Okay, so here are all the swatches of the palette. They're all like really pigmented, and I cannot stress enough how like creamy and buttery they are, which is like a really good formula that Jeffree has come up with. The only downside is like with all the shimmers and stuff, there's a bunch of fallout, which I can understand because the shimmers are coming off. But yeah.